Hello and Namaskar. This is Neeraj here once again and welcome back to my channel Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah. So in today's video I would like to again tidbits about the market in last 1 week and in the respect of this correction happened in this week in first 2 days and what is the way ahead and what one should do or one should stay or quiet. So before starting, I just request all of you, I just want to thank all the subscribers. Thank you very much. And all those who have not yet subscribed, you please request you to put subscribe button, push that. And if you like this video, give thumbs up and share it with your maximum friends. And as I told you, I have a different format also. Format in the sense that I have premium video series where each and every premium video is about a unique multi-bagger stock idea where the complete analysis is given for all the stocks for that particular specific stock idea and it has outperformed market till now. I have come out with the 3 premium video series. So if anyone interested, it's only for a very nominal charge of 1,000 rupees and my email details are there. If anybody is interested, they can contact me. So this is just a thing. It's in the down below. You can send me mail and I will send you the bank details how it can be done. So let's start this. So as we have seen, I have come out with last week that tidbits of that one should not do any of this new tech IPO because these are nothing but the dumping of or the selling of the shares by the original investors. In that Series A to Series C, E, whatever venture capitalist. So there is nothing for the benefit of the investors. It is just last round of dumping. So it's everybody gets out and the last final primary IPO and secondary IPO investors, secondary market investors get trapped into this kind of stocks. So stay away. That's it. So what has happened is that since last week we had come out, market has corrected as we had told, and as I had told that whatever come what may say that oil may remain between the range of Brent crude I'm talking about remain between $70 to $80. So that's what oil corrected significantly of 8-9%. Because of that agreement between in the OPEC plus that allowed UAE to cut less production, which basically it means that it can produce more oil compared to its base last year. So whatever the base, so as per the agreement which was stitched in last year in the OPEC, that from August onwards 2 million barrels per day increase of production will be allowed by the members. But as a result of this OPEC plus kind of a agreement between UAE and OPEC plus, now it will be, instead of this 2 million barrels per day, it will be 4 million barrels per day. So there will be more basically the oil coming into the market at the time when again the pandemic situation is getting what I would say, I would not say that it's getting, but again, as we had talked about, the different variants of coronavirus is rearing their head, and people are again getting infected, reinfected also, and it's happening in those countries and those Western countries which has boasted about the maximum vaccination of its population. So and if you watch all my videos, if you track my videos since last 1 year I have started this channel, you will understand that I have been talking what I have been talking, that we need to live with this virus. We have to build up our immunity system. One of these vaccines are not going to help because virus has the tendency to, any virus, it's not only this corona, but any virus has a tendency to mutate it and change it and immediately from one body to another to third person. So there can never be a unique vaccine which can be applied to everybody and which can be the medicine for this. So that is where I would not say, as I told you, that vaccination is a personal choice. It's none of my business to tell you what to do. But in short, it's not going to. You will see that more and more again this Delta and Lambda and Kappa and Beta and all this fancy names will be given to the new virus. But that is general thing. I think for the general people, they should understand they have to build their immunity. They have to rely on Veda, Ayurveda and yoga, and least rely on this medicines. Okay, so better be with nature and better build your immunity system so that you don't get infection. That is the only way to get out of this. And even if somehow one gets infection, with yoga and pranayam and meditation and inbuilt immunity, healthy immunity system, you will come out of it nicely without any problem. So, and I had told you, if you remember, that vaccination or whatever it is there, till the time there is a fear in the market, and that the pharma industries will do well, and so the market will also, even though there will be correction. That is what I had told, and that is what is happening. So there will be a bit of correction. It has already seen a 3% market has come down in last 3-4 days, from the last Friday to say till yesterday, because today it's holiday. And oil has also rebounded after going down by 8%. It has rebounded back, as I told you. So, but this is the best time. And if you just see, US dollar has historically, it is, from last, if you say in last 1 month, in 2 months, from June, it was at one, against euro, it was at 1.22278 dollar. Okay, 1 euro was 1.22278 dollars. It has come down to 1.177147. So it's around 4% of the decline. So commodities also, as a result, it's called strengthening of the USD. So commodities are also not perfect, as I told you that it will not do that. With the virus pandemic again rising and people again becoming, and investors becoming jittery, recovery becoming in the geopardy, that recovery will happen or not. So everybody will flock back to USD and the commodities will decline, and that's what is happening. So that is what I wanted to also discuss about, share it with you. Another thing which I wanted to share was, if you remember, 1 year before I had come out with a prediction regarding edible oil, that in Ukraine and Russia, that sunflower crop has damaged a lot, and that you will see a rally. And because of that alternative, because there is a rally in one oil, definitely all alternative edible oils will also rise to that extent, and that is what it has. You can see it's almost doubled. Now I am talking about wheat and general grains. So what will happen is that wheat has in Russia, because I was watching and I was talking to some of these farmers from Bashkortostan and the Tatarstan, which are the bowl of which are agricultural regions, very good agriculture, big agriculture regions and farmers. So there, because of this time, unprecedented heat wave had happened in Russia. Even I am here since last 3-4 years, but this is the first time I see that for very long period of time. Generally, there is a heat of around say 33-34 degree, but it is for 8 to 10 days in Moscow also. But this time, almost a month, very, very hot. It was above 33-34. It was on an average. So that what has happened is that it has burnt or destroyed 70 to 60% of the wheat crop, which is generally, it is sown during these times. So because of that, you will see that effect coming post September, October, when the harvesting is done. And that time when the calculation will happen, this is this much shortage in Russia. And Russia and Ukraine are one of the biggest wheat suppliers in the world, wheat exporters. So because of that, you will see the impact also happening on, say, rice also prices, because people try to, all the alternative food items or all the alternative grains will also. So that will also give rise to prices because they will try to switch to, say, bajra, millet, ragi, or say buckwheat, or the different, or rice or soya. So all this you will see over an average. Agriculture commodities also will not edible oil this time, because there is a good crop production, but these grains will rise. All the grains will go up, and that will give a lot of margin pressure on this FMCG, and also it will dent the consumption. And so this is, it's going to be a very challenging for inflation management, particularly in India, when the food prices will go up. This is what I think. I think this is my prediction. So if government is live and alive and listening, or this all this economic stretching, they should find out the way to at least start managing this kind of if prices rise. So they should start collecting or importing and try to build up the storage and distribution channels in a way that prices doesn't rise too much, even though it rises. And this may affect impact kind of companies like ITC, which are also into contract farming, but they will be benefited if the prices rise. It will be the problem for FMCG companies, which are basically just selling this. These are like distributors and those kind of companies. So you please, and also for inflation management, when the oil remaining at the same level, crude oil, at $72, and because of this US dollar strengthening against almost all the currencies, you will see that rupee also not going to appreciate. Rather, there will be a pressure on rupee of depreciation. If the market further goes down, there will be much more pressure, and that is also will keep this crude oil basically at an elevated level above 100 only. So we are not going to see much respite from this inflationary pressure, and because of this, slowly I think the pressure will build on the market also, stock market also. So in this time, the best stock which becomes as the oil production, crude oil production has been agreed from August onwards, increase of 4 million barrels per day. So there will be movement of this oil, more shipping demand for the crude carriers and all these things. So that is where one of my premium video stock is there. So I think that will be the segment which will benefit from this increase in the crude oil production, even though other segment will not benefit. And also oil retail companies also would be happy. I think this is the best time for government. They want to divest this BPCL. They should complete these formalities of find the strategic buyer who wants to buy and finalize this within this next 1 month or so, because otherwise again this opportunity will be missed. More pandemic and more this cases rising, and there will be depression in the market and the sentiments of the people. So if anybody is interested in want to know about that specific stock which will be benefited because of the increase in the crude oil production, you please write to me, mail. As I told you, it's a premium video, which is the latest premium stock which I had come out with. It's regarding that particular stock. So that's it from my side. I just wanted to share some of these tidbits of the stock market and way ahead. That's it. Ciao from Neeraj from Moscow. Love you, and see you once again next week with some of the more updates.